Welcome to Festive Phrases from the Radiolingua Network. I'm Mark, and each day of December, I'm bringing you a festive phrase in a different language. Today, I'm with Yoshiko because we are learning Japanese.
こんにちは。私の名前はよしこです。マークさん、元気ですか？
Watashi wa genki desu. I'm fine. So Japanese is obviously the official language of Japan, but there are lots of Japanese speakers all around the world. In fact, the largest Japanese population in a country other than Japan is in Brazil. Japanese writing is really interesting because it's actually written in 3 different types of scripts. Kanji are characters which are based on Chinese characters, and then there are 2 syllabic scripts, hiragana and katakana. So there's a different symbol for each syllable. For example, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, and so on. You'll see an example of Japanese script in just a moment. Okay, let's turn to our festive phrase for today. Now, Christmas isn't really celebrated in a traditional way in Japan, so today our phrase is Happy New Year. Yoshiko, can you tell us how you would wish someone Happy New Year in Japanese?
明けましておめでとう。
Now, I'd like you really to concentrate on the pronunciation here. Yoshiko, can we hear this again, perhaps more slowly, please?
明けましておめでとう。
So, when it comes to New Year, you can now wish Japanese speakers a Happy New Year. Let's add our Japanese speakers to the map. There are around 122 million speakers of Japanese. And if we add them to the speakers of the other languages we've learned so far, our grand total is 337,994,600 people in the world to whom you can send your festive greetings. Okay, that's all for today. Join us again tomorrow when we'll be looking at another huge language spoken in many parts of the world. Until then, thanks and goodbye.
ありがとう。そしてさようなら。
Festive Phrases is brought to you by the Radiolingua Network. If you would like to find out more about learning a language anytime, anywhere with Radiolingua, please visit our website on radiolingua.com. To find out about our workshops and products for schools, please visit radiolinguaschools.com.